Welcome back to Chef Gavin GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make waffles. It's going to be an interesting video. I'm going to tell you why we use each of the ingredients we are going to use to make our waffle. And I know you are going to enjoy this video. And don't forget, this food is from the stove to your heart. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's go through the ingredients. These are the ingredients we are going to use. 2 eggs and 2 cups of flour. And so people don't add nutmeg at all, but this is my secret ingredient. Just 1 teaspoon. And then I have my half cup butter. This is 1.5 cup of fresh milk. Add all the ingredients all together. Vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. I like the smooth consistency of the mixture. The waffle is ready. So you can see not too thick, not too runny. So from here, we are just going to heat our waffle machine, grease it with a little oil, and then we start baking our waffle. Time for us to bake our waffles. And at this stage, the first thing you have to do is to grease your waffle maker with oil or stainless steel spray that you have. So you scoop what will be enough for the machine. You just have to make sure it's preheated so that it will shorten the baking time. Imagine this one is cold and you put it inside. It will take even more than 7 to 10 minutes before it will reach the optimum temperature. But this one is already hot. The moment you cover it, then the cooking process starts. Beautiful. So let's wait patiently for about 6 to 7 minutes. We will open and see how it looks like. And whilst we are waiting for it to be baked, let me tell you why we use all the ingredients that we have. First one, of course, is our flour. The flour gives the body of the pancake or the structure, and we have our sugar inside. The sugar does 2 main things. 1 is to give it the sweetness, and 2, it helps with the browning. And then we have our butter to give you that rich taste, and then the small oil that we add is for the beautification or the appearance. The salt brings all the ingredient flavors and taste together. Without the salt, you can never taste each of the ingredients. So the fresh milk also, is nutritious, and 2, without the fresh milk, we cannot get the richness, you see, the smooth consistency like raw flour. There's no way we can get it. The nutmeg here is my magic ingredient, because normally the classic waffle ingredients or recipe does not contain nutmeg. And you try the nutmeg and you see the magic nutmeg will add to your waffle. The baking powder add air or allow air to be introduced into the mixture to make it more fluffy and light. Without the baking powder, it will be thick like bamboo. The egg also add richness. These are the main reason why we added all the ingredients that we added here. If you want to know more, let me know below the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to reply you. About 5 minutes now. Let's see. Wow, this looks very beautiful. But you can see we are not getting equal distribution of heat. So what I will do at this time is to just turn it, because we can see that this part cook faster than this part. So when we have changed it, Let's bake it for 3 more minutes and see how sexy it will look. Before I open it, you see we use butter, and the butter we use is a homemade butter that I made. So if you want to know how to make butter at home without buying expensive butter, please go to the same channel, Chef Gabi GH, homemade butter, how to make it. It's a very short video, and you will know, and you just need only one ingredient to make the butter. So check it out. Now let's open it. Oh, beautiful. I like what I'm seeing. This is really beautiful. So I just like it. I really love it. Our waffles are ready, and we top it up with butter, which is going to melt beautifully on top of it. And see, let me just take the beautiful one. So as I said, this is our homemade butter. Very beautiful. The taste is so yummy, especially with the butter. But you can use any topping of your choice. It can be maple syrup, it can be honey, or any topping that you prefer. I trust you have enjoyed this recipe and the cooking process. And if you have, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all.